In this lecture, we will learn the generation of NDVI using the Landsat cellular images and QGIS software. In previous lecture, we learned to download single or multiple Landsat cellular images from Earth Explorer website. We also learned to import the downloaded Landsat cellular images in QGIS software. In this lecture, we will learn the Landsat band designation, such as the number of Landsat band, also band names, and the spatial resolution of the Landsat band. Also, we will learn the generation of NDVI using Landsat band and QGIS software. This graph indicates the spectral reflectance curves of various materials such as soil, vegetation, and water. In this graph, visible band, red, blue, and green, and near infrared band, NIR, and intermediate infrared band have the different wavelengths. This graph shows that each material is sensitive and also has the different reflection on the different band. This graph is widely used in remote sensing field and also very important for generating NDVI. This table shows the Landsat 5 band designations. Landsat 5 images consist of 7 bands. Band 1 is blue band. Band 2 is green band. Band 3 is red band. Band 4 is near infrared band. Band 5 is shortwave infrared band. Band 6 is thermal infrared band. Band 7 is also shortwave infrared band. Each band has the different wavelengths with the same spatial resolution, 30 meters. This table shows the Landsat A band designations. Landsat A image consists of 11 bands. Band 1 is coastal aerosol band. Band 2 is blue band. Band 3 is green band. Band 4 is red band. Band 5 is near infrared band. Band 6 is shortwave infrared band. Band 7 is also shortwave infrared band. Band 8 is panchromatic band. Band 9 is Soros band. Band 10 is thermal infrared band. Band 11 is also thermal infrared band. Each band has the different wavelengths and also different spatial resolutions such as 15 or 30 meters. These figures show the example of different bands of Landsat 5 and 8. The upper figure shows the example of Landsat 5 band. The lower figure shows the example of Landsat 8 band. These figures show each band has the different intensities in specific materials. For example, some bands have high intensity in water features, while other bands are not. NDVI stands for the Normalized Different Vegetation Index. NDVI is the remote sensing index for measuring vegetation density, quantifying vegetation greenness, and assessing plant health. NDVI can be calculated as the ratio between the red and near infrared band. NDVI varies between -1 and 1. NDVI values less than 0 indicate no vegetation cover, such as desert, bare earth, cloud, snow, water body, and glacier. While NDVI value more than 0 definitely indicate the vegetation covers. NDVI can be made by this equation: near infrared band minus red band divided by near infrared band plus red band. So in Landsat 5, NDVI can be made by band 4 minus band 3 divided by band 4 plus band 3. In Landsat 8, NDVI can be made by band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. Generating NDVI using QGIS has the following steps. The first step is to go to raster menu. The second step is to open the raster calculator. The final step is to write NDVI equation in raster calculator expression board following QGIS grammar. I will show the example later. NDVI can be utilized for many purposes. For examples, evaluation of vegetation health, measurement of biomass, monitoring seasonal vegetation growth conditions, and also detecting unhealthy vegetation areas. Okay, let's practice to generate the NDVI using the Landsat band. First, import the band 5 and band 4 of Landsat 8. In raster menu, click the raster calculator. And we can make the equation for generating NDVI. Like this button and this one minus this one, then divide again this button plus this one. If the correction is the equation is correct, we can see the expression valid signals. Then we can fix the output layer name. Click this button, then you can choose you can make any name you want, NDVI2 like this. Then you can click the OK button. Yeah, it is done. Finally, we can generate the NDVI. Yeah. This figure shows the examples of NDVI values in different land covers. In vegetations, NDVI has higher intensities than others. Soil has the higher intensity than others, but lower intensities than vegetations. Urban has higher intensities than water, but lower intensities than others. Water has the lowest intensities. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please subscribe and push like button.